నమస్తే టు అనండాల్ దత్తాత్రేయ సమారంభం స్వప్రకాశానంద మధ్యమాం అమృతానంద పర్యంతం వందే శ్రీ గురు పరంపర. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. Everybody felt this is spiritual, this is material, like that. What is the difference between really the spirituality and material? Each and every element in the nature, including I, also the spiritual is here. But why we feel the difference between the spirituality and the material life? The spiritual person has lots of soul energy is there, because whoever connect with the sun, that means nature, they only feel each and every element has the spirituality is there. Who didn't connect with the nature, like they sit in the rooms only, they don't talk to anybody, also they have every time sleeping, the laziness. Why it is coming? Because they don't do anything with the practice. That means the practice means here not only the mantras, whatever you study, that study also you connect with the knowledge, that means true knowledge. When you connect with the true knowledge, that is called the spirituality. The true knowledge, when you connect, here the connection is happen only one way, that way called the mantra. How much you do the mantra, then that much of the the sun and the soul is connect each other. How much the soul connect with the sun, that much of soul energy is increased. Then all the problems solve, like the laziness, I don't want to talk to anybody, I am shy, I have inferiority complex, superiority everything is removed with the sun energy. When everything is removed with the sun energy, then only you understand what is the real spirituality means. Till that date we don't understand what is the spirituality means. Here the spirituality means each and every element. I want to tell you one story. That story is one guru, that means one saint is there. That guru has lots of like sishyas, that means disciples. Each and every disciple has the in olden days the gurus has the different studies they only teach. In there the medical students are there with the guru. They come out, not like now new education has 5 years. When they do the medical college certificate is coming, after that PG, specialization like that. But in olden days not like that. Really he is knowledgeable, capable, then only the guru leave from Gurukul to outside world. In that case, this year want to somebody coming out, in that time two students are there. Each that whoever going out, that guru want to test. In that time these two disciples, he give one test. That test name called, you go to the forest, and whatever the medical leaves are there, you take the medical leaves, remaining leaves you leave there. That he said, and he gave 2 bags to 2 students. One student take the full bag, also he took he took other things and put it in some other bag. This one student has no full the bag, 9 or 10 leaves he took. Then the two students are coming to Guru. That Guru, why this much of leaves you take? The first student he asked. Then he said, I didn't see, everything is medical there in the forest. I felt each and every leaf is herbal. The medical, this leaf is going to this like health problem, this is this, like that. Each and every leaf you connect like a herbal, like the medicine is there in the each and every leaf. But this person, the second person said, you know, these only the Ayurveda herbals, remaining things not there. Then Guru leave, whoever said each and every leaf has the medicine is there. That student, he he is come out from the Gurukul and he is the big doctor. Like that is happen, like that. The spirituality means wherever you go, whatever you see, everything is spiritual. When the sun energy is with you, then only you understand. The sun energy is coming through the mantra only. So each and everybody do Sri Vidya Sadhana and you get the soul energy and you understand the meaning of the spirituality. Namaste to one and all.